The pyramids, which the poet Blake thought of as the essence of materialism, are in their way religious buildings. Religious also is that other familiar image that crouches in front of them, the Sphinx. For centuries it was hidden under the sand. It isn't even mentioned by the Greek historian Herodotus. When it was discovered by Napoleon's expedition, it was restored, and the nose fell off. The nose is in the British Museum. Subsequent restorations have made things worse. It's a god and not a pharaoh, but which god we do not know.